Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the model matching technique using the SolidStudioPRO software. In the beginning, we need to have the patient data, which includes the CBCT image and the scan of the required jaw. Now we start running the software. We click on this Solid Hub icon, and then we open the file. Now we go to the desktop where the CBCT images are there. We locate the DICOM files and then we click on any of these files. Now the software will start scanning the folder, and then the series will appear here. As we discussed earlier in the first video, we need to select the row with the frames that has the highest value. So here we have 187. So we double click on it and the software will load the data on the software. As we can see here, we have the 3D view of the CBCT image. We have the cuts here. Now we need to merge the model or the scan of the patient into this CBCT image. We click on the Solid Studio Hub icon, and then we click on models icon. Now we add a new model. We go to the patient files, and as we can see here, we have the lower jaw, so we take the lower scan. The software asks you if you want to recenter. Yes, recenter it, and then as you can see here, the CBCT image is in a location and the scan on a different location. We need to merge these together. So we try first to match the model. Now the first step of the matching process is you need to select which of the volumes. Now if you open a CBCT image without any segmentation, you will only have one volume. But if you do the segmentation process, you will have different volumes. So you select the volume 0, and then you need to set the threshold. The threshold value determines what structure appears. Now if you increase the threshold value, as you can see, the harder bone will appear, and the enamel of the teeth appears also. So we select a value where enamel is appearing. Okay, that like this, not too much. It's around 106, 1600 and 1700. Then we go and click next. Now at this point, we will have two windows. The first window has the CBCT image. We can rotate it, and we have here the model. We need to match this into this. The common structures, as you can see here, are the teeth. So we need to select at least 3 points on both images, on both views. Then we tell the software that you can match it. Now if you click the mouse, the left button, you will rotate, and you will see here a new button appeared. It's the action button. If you click on it, it will be turned on. So instead of rotating, you will select a point. Okay, now you need to set this point, and on this model also you select the same point. You set here, as you can see, we have a metal bridge, so that it appears here perfectly, but on the CBCT image, because of the artifact, it's not appearing. So we try not to select this item. We go to the left lateral, and we select here the left lateral. It's here, and we try to select the same position. Then if we want to rotate, we will turn off back the action button. We can rotate to see from the same side. We try to select 3 different or far away points. So we select it again, and we click on the 7. Now the software will do the first matching. As you can see here, we can go along the images. We can see in certain areas it's not fully matched, as you can see. So we need to do fine-tuning of the matching. Now for the fine tuning, we have the pivot. This is the pivot. The pivot means the center is that if you rotate, this is the center of your rotation. So sometimes you can fix just another pivot and then do the rotation. It will be easier. So if you feel that this area is matched, then you can set the pivot here. And before going into the fine tuning process, because of the colors you cannot see perfectly, so you go to done and you can change the color of the model. Then you again go to move. So here you can move the model, and if you want to set the threshold, you can set it from this icon back again. Now you can, now if you rotate from this area, it's the pivot. So if you want to set this one as the pivot, you set pivot and you click here. Now the pivot has been transferred into here. Then you need to turn it off again. Okay, now as you can see here, it will be fixed. This point will be fixed, and you can check the matching to be properly. You just go from a different view to change the rotation angulation. Now this rotation circle rotates the model along the view. So if you're looking from the front, you can rotate it right and left. So, and if you rotate it to the right, the rotation will be anterior and posterior. So if you look from the above, you can rotate it like this. So this is the matching. As you can see here, try to make matching here the best, and check again on the cuts. You can see that the matching is a little bit good here. Okay, now it's ready, and this is the matching. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.